Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. And today we're gonna be doing like with a troll file that you can kind of send to your friend. You troll the shit out of them. They can't close it without opening up Task Manager to manually close it. It's actually so funny. You guys are gonna love it. Alright, let's get into this here. I'd also like to point out, please subscribe, please like, thank you. I should have mentioned it at the start. I wasn't even thinking about it. But yeah, make sure you do that. It helps me, it helps you, and you know, I'll keep posting, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is you're going to open up a folder. So let's create a folder. For me, we're going to go to downloads, we're going to call this YT, just you know, a little test. Alright, so now we've loaded up the file. What we're going to do, or the folder, sorry. What we're going to do, we're going to create a file. I'm going to call mine Bouncy Murphy, because that's the name I'm going to be using today, .py. You can give it any name. More professionally, I would have put main.py, start.py, or whatever. We're going to do 3 or 4 imports, sorry. We're going to do customtkinter, we're going to import ctk, I'm going to import tkinter as tk, I'm going to, from pil, I need to import images and image.tk, I need to import random and math. That's the main basis of the imports. If you want a more descriptive instruction of what they are, that'll be down in the description, don't worry, you can go read that if you want. Just give me 2 seconds to do this. Oh, I did imports there. Silly me being silly. Wait, what have I done here? What's going on my file? Why am I highlighting up here in red? I've done nothing wrong. What? Am I bugging? What? This is so weird. What the fuck is going on? What? Oh, that was weird that. I think I was just being silly, you know. But I'll just cut that out. Alright, so I'm so used to doing capitals, it's my fault. I think I'm just a bit special. Why isn't that letting me do that? Okay, oh there we go. Oh my god, I didn't even look. Alright, we're all good now. God, don't worry. We're not being too dumb now. Alright, now, what do I want? I want to have the picture bouncing. So I need to get an image path, an image size. We just need to make some important values. Give me a second to write that one out. I'll be right back. Alright, so we've just run up the variable assignments. So obviously we've got our minimum speed of how fast I want them to go. The maximum speed, so obviously I want to keep it consistent at 20. The speed cap again is 20, so there's no any errors. The image path I've set up, so all it needs to do is get an image and just put it in here. Alright, and it'll be 200 by 200 pixels. So we're all good. Now what needs to do is start writing out the division classes, the definitions, stuff like that, so we can get actual things working, get some stuff doing. So I'm going to speed run myself with that real quick. Alright guys, we're back. We're just gonna finish this and then everything will be ready. So all I now need to do is get the DVD app. So yeah, by the way, I have gone based off of the DVD logo, you know, the one that kind of bounces around your screen and you're trying to get it to touch the corners for luck and stuff like that. Don't worry, that was the idea. So if you see DVD logo, don't try and say I stole it. Again, it was just the idea. And so all you need to do now is do the self-routing, getting the image path and getting it to actually bounce around the screen with animating. Alright, this was fun. Oh yeah, also, I didn't notice this until I watched it back, but this was all kind of like diagonally down. It was supposed to be straight, so everything was messed up. Yeah, I'm a bit stupid for that one. Alright, let's go with this then. So once I've written this out, I will start the time lapse. Go. This was an absolute... It didn't actually take me that long to make, you know? We've only been recording for about 35 minutes. This isn't that bad, huh? Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get an image. My friend supplied me an image of an old secondary school teacher we had, and if I can get that, that would be absolutely amazing. It'd be very funny, it would. Alright, I've got the image. I'm gonna put it in the YT folder. I'm gonna call it background. Yeah, I have to expose. Sorry. This was the lovely photo, and we're now gonna go through and we're just gonna test if it works. Everything's installed, everything should run. I don't see why not. Alright guys, this is a quick little test. As you see, I've tested it before twice. There's 2 more tests here. This is the final product. This actual file will be in the description, downloadable for the people that don't want to have to write it. But for the people who want a learning experience, you can write it, of course. The image I will not be giving out though. Don't even ask me for that. Let's just run it as a test to show it works. And there you go. If you run this, close out of VSC or whatever you've opened it with, they will not suspect a thing. And they'll have some trouble getting to Task Manager to actually stop it. I can stop it through here, of course, because I can click there, but you can't really do too much else because they're all in the way. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a nice one, yeah? Come back in the next. Alright, thank you for watching this. Alright, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you watch any other video that I've put up. Even the old ones that are weird and cringe. Just have a look at them, please. You know what I'm saying? Just help me. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Anyway, have a good night, have a good day. See you all later. Goodbye.